Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Adrienne and this is
Lila.
And today is our third video for our Space Talk videos. And today we'll be reviewing the Space Talk smartwatch. A very honest review of what we think of this smartwatch. We have had this smartwatch for a few months now, I think since May, and we've done 2 videos. Go check them out. I'll have them linked down below as well. But today we will be telling you what we like and what we don't like about the smartwatch and any problems that we have had in the past few months with it. Yes, so let's get on with our video. First thing is that the battery wastes really quick and you have to charge it overnight, so that when you do wake up and it is 100%, that 100% will last you for the whole day, only if you have the volume down and the brightness down. If you don't charge it fully during the night, you won't get a whole day of it. The other thing we don't like is that it's not as durable as your iPhone watch. As it is a watch for kids, you do want something that is quite strong, that will last long, but because of the material on the actual watch, it's not as strong as your Apple Watch. The other thing I don't like about the watch is that there is a monthly subscription for the app, which you pay $5.99. I think it's more if you have more than 2 watches. So you have to pay a monthly subscription to be able to use the watch. The other thing is that the watch comes with a screen protector, which is just your ordinary plastic screen protector, which does get scratched very easily. If they had like a glass protector one, like what your iPhones would, that would come very handy.
It wastes battery and sometimes I can't call.
Now what we like about the watch is that it's very easy to use. Even my 2-year-old can use it and can call me from it. It's very easy to set up. If you look at our previous video, you'll see how easy it is to set up. It is very convenient for us as we use it so that when I do pick up Lila and her brother, I don't have to come to school early. She calls me once school is finished. I let her know where I am or how long I'm gonna be. So the other thing we like about the watch is that it's very safe and secure. No one else can call Lila except for the people that I have put to the app, and she can't call anyone else except for the people that I have put into the app. And also you can block unknown numbers. You know, if she was to have a mobile phone, anyone can call her, she can call anyone. So that's why we also wanted to go with a watch, because it was so much safer than a phone. And with a phone she can easily lose it, and with a watch she can't. On a phone she can easily go on social media and all those apps. That's not necessary for a 9-year-old. The other thing we like is the new feature with text messaging, where Lila can now write messages on her watch. It uses the old way of messaging on a mobile phone where you need to tap it a couple of times to get the actual letter, which I'll show you right over here. Whereas before that, she had to just scroll down and select some of the messages that we have already put into our app. Do you like that new feature?
Yeah, it's fun.
The other thing that we like is the parent control. So I have full control of her watch. I am able to know what she's done on there. I know when she turns it on, when she turns it off. It also notifies me when her watch is low battery. It also notifies me when her watch needs to be charged. The other thing that we like is the sound quality for when I call Lila or she calls me. On my end it's very clear. And is it clear on your end? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Another thing we like, and another thing that Lila likes, is that you can customize your home screen. So right now she has Donald Duck on the screen, and you can change that to any photo that you have in your phone or on your computer or whatever. You can change it to whatever you like on there. Oh, and the other thing that we like about the watch is that you can put photos of the people on your contacts list. So Lila has a photo of me, and she has a photo of her dad, so that when she does call, she just sees our photo on there.
I like it because when I turn it on, I can see what time it is, and it's digital, so now I can read time, but I'm not good with clocks yet. And also because there's a stopwatch and a torch.
So we did have a problem not long ago with Lila's watch where it said no network and she could not call or message anyone. We thought it was something to do with the SIM card or with Belong, because the SIM card is with Belong. So I checked and there was credit on it, so it wasn't that. So what we did do is we took out the SIM card and just put it back in, and it fixed the problem. So that is all for our review today. We hope that was helpful. Let us know down below what you like about the watch, if you've got one, and what you didn't like. Let us know if this video was helpful, and let us know if we have forgotten anything. Please check out our other videos of the SPACETALK smartwatch. And that is all for this video. Bye guys!
Bye.